Top 30 smartest animals in the world. Some of the most intelligent creatures in the animal kingdom include dolphins, rats, pigeons, cats, and baboons. However, comparing their intelligence is no easy task. Each species has evolved unique abilities tailored to its environment, making direct comparisons complex and often unfair. 1. Humans. Humans are the most intelligent species, thanks to problem-solving abilities and a large prefrontal cortex. A 2022 study found interconnected factors drove brain evolution, making humans smarter than other animals. High synergy association cortices in the human brain expanded significantly compared to non-human primates. Another key to our intelligence is complex language, allowing us to share abstract ideas and knowledge, shaping culture and innovation. These abilities make humans uniquely capable of advanced thought and communication. 2. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees possess remarkable intellectual abilities that continue to fascinate humans. They can learn sign language to communicate, remember names of individuals after years, and recognize themselves in mirrors. They also display behaviors like caring and mourning. One of their most impressive skills is using symbols for objects and combining them to express complex ideas, a trait that supports their intricate social structures with strong bonds and clear hierarchies. In the wild, chimps use tools creatively, such as making spears for hunting, cracking nuts, and extracting termites. They excel at problem-solving and even recognize when they've succeeded in a task. 3. Dolphins. Have you ever wondered why dolphins and killer whales are the star attractions at most aquariums? It's because they are exceptionally intelligent. These creatures have culture, use tools, and form complex societies. Their social behaviors, self-awareness, and interactions make them remarkably similar to humans. Female dolphins stay with their young for years, teaching them vital survival skills. In the wild, dolphins use tools and can learn complex commands from human trainers. The U.S. Navy has even trained bottlenose dolphins to locate underwater mines. A dolphin's brain is 4 to 5 times larger than expected for their body size. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, follow instructions, and utilize a built-in sonar system encoded in their DNA. 4. Orangutans. Orangutans are among the most intelligent creatures, sharing over 96% of their DNA with humans. They excel in cognitive abilities, even weighing the costs and benefits when exchanging goods, much like humans do. One famous orangutan, Fu Manchu at the Omaha Zoo, repeatedly escaped his enclosure. Zookeepers discovered he had learned to pick locks and hid the key. Orangutans also have a rich culture, a complex communication system, and use tools in the wild. In fact, they outperformed human children in tasks involving tool use. These animals form strong social bonds and live in scattered communities, which may contribute to their advanced intelligence. Sadly, fewer than 100,000 orangutans remain, making them critically endangered. 5. Elephants. Elephants are known for their massive size, but they are much more than just large creatures. They are elegant, cultured, curious, and possess remarkable memories. Elephants can recognize up to 30 relatives through urine sense, helping them stay connected. In the wild, they clean their food and use tools in various ways, while in captivity, they can follow human commands. Elephants are also deeply empathetic, caring for both their group and other species, demonstrating advanced intelligence. With the largest brain of any land animal, elephants' brains are 3 times larger than humans, weighing 10.5 pounds, 4.7 kilograms, and containing 257 billion neurons. They can even recognize themselves in mirrors and express grief over deceased relatives. 6. Crows. Crows are known for their impressive intelligence. In urban areas of Japan, they gather nuts, place them in the street, and wait for cars to crack the shells. After patiently waiting for the light to change, they return to retrieve their snack, an amazing example of problem solving. Crows can also create tools, like bending wire to form a hook for meat, and recognize threats from people and animals. One study even compared their reasoning skills to those of 7-year-old human children. Additionally, crows communicate in complex dialects and enjoy playing games and tricks with each other. 7. Pigs. Pigs are highly intelligent animals, despite their reputation for gluttony and poor hygiene. Both domestic and wild pigs can adapt to various environments. Unlike most herbivores, pigs are omnivores, often eating worms and bugs. Young piglets have demonstrated impressive cognitive skills, such as using mirrors to find hidden food. In an experiment, 7 out of 8 piglets found their food when it was placed behind a solid barrier visible only in the mirror. They solved the concept of reflection in just 5 hours and understood human instructions. This intelligence is why certain domestic pigs are as trainable as cats and dogs. 8. Rats. Rats are highly intelligent animals, often misunderstood in Western cultures. However, Chinese culture admires their cunning and resourcefulness, qualities that have helped them colonize every continent except Antarctica. Lab rats are commonly used in research, where they can find shortcuts and escape routes in experiments. Trained rats have even saved thousands of lives by detecting tuberculosis, TB, and sniffing out landmines. A rat can check a tennis court for mines in just 30 minutes, a task that would take a human 4 days with a metal detector. They can also check 100 terabyte samples in under 20 minutes, while a technician might take days. Additionally, rats can learn to play hide and seek. 9. Octopuses. Octopuses are among the smartest creatures in the sea, with impressive abilities like unscrewing a jar lid. Though still not fully understood, scientists continually discover their remarkable skills. Octopuses play, solve problems, navigate mazes, and have good short-term memory. Their intelligence may be due to a combination of strength, agility, curiosity, and brain power. An octopus's brain is as large as some mammals, with high organization to catch prey and avoid predators. Their nervous system is unique, with most nerves in their 8 arms, which act as mini-brains. Octopuses can even recognize humans, behaving differently around familiar individuals. 10. Pigeons. Pigeons are often seen as pests in North American cities, but they are surprisingly intelligent. These birds have been subjects of numerous scientific studies, revealing their remarkable mental abilities. Pigeons can recognize hundreds of images even after years and identify themselves in mirrors. They can also learn movement sequences and differentiate between paintings, impressive for a common bird. Historically, pigeons played vital roles in warfare, carrying messages during world wars and gathering intelligence with small cameras. Despite their appearance, pigeons are far from simple. They're highly brainy creatures. 11th. Squirrels. Squirrels are known for their persistence and excellent memory, making them a challenge for gardeners. These clever creatures use a variety of strategies to survive, showing advanced cunning and intellect. Though originally woodland animals, squirrels have adapted to living alongside humans, scavenging from bird feeders and gardens. Eastern gray squirrels engage in deceptive caching, pretending to hide food and stashing it in secret locations to confuse thieves. Tree squirrels, on the other hand, use spatial chunking to organize their food by size and type, helping them find it later. They also store food for future use, retrieving it months later when needed. 12. African gray parrots. African gray parrots are known for their exceptional intelligence, including advanced problem-solving, communication skills, and memory. These birds can learn and mimic human speech with remarkable accuracy. One famous example is Alex the parrot, who could identify colors, shapes, and count up to 6 objects, showcasing cognitive abilities similar to a young child. Their impressive memory also allows them to remember people and tasks for extended periods, highlighting their remarkable intelligence. 13. Bonobos. Bonobos use complex vocalizations and gestures to communicate, and studies show they can understand and use symbolic language, such as lexicograms, to convey meaning. Another study found that bonobos and chimpanzees engage in cooperative turn-taking during communication, similar to human conversations. The research observed bonobo mother-infant pairs using gestures with eye contact and overlapping responses to initiate joint travel, resembling cooperative language structures. Compared to chimpanzees, bonobos showed more immediate and overlapping responses, indicating more fluid and rapid interaction. 14. Dogs. Dogs are capable of learning commands, recognizing human emotions, and solving problems. They exhibit emotional intelligence by responding to human facial expressions and tones of voice. One study found that dogs can distinguish between positive and negative facial expressions, engaging more with happy faces and avoiding angry ones. Their ability to read emotional cues and respond accordingly is an important adaptive feature. As one researcher put it, dogs problem solve all the time, and understanding human emotions is tremendously advantageous for them. 15. Bees. Bees demonstrate advanced problem-solving, communication, and learning abilities. One famous example is the waggle dance, where bees communicate the location of food sources to their hive mates using precise movements. Studies show that bees can count up to 4 and recognize human faces, displaying complex visual processing. Additionally, a 2016 study found that bees can learn to pull strings to access food and even teach this skill to other bees. Once one individual in the colony is trained, the skill quickly spreads to all the bees.